Hello and welcome to your Next Car UK official YouTube channel. It's James bringing another video on a BMW 420 diesel Grand Coupe. This particular Grand Coupe has to be one of the highest spec Grand Coupes in the country, so I'll get through this video as quick as possible. We have the beautiful Your Next Car Performance Pack, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. We have, of course, the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. This particular Grand Coupe benefits from having the Msport Plus pack fitted to it. So of course we have the stunning Msport Plus calipers, which are much larger than the standard fit. We also have the 19-inch LA Msport alloys in the original finish. Moving on inside the car, we have the Oyster Dakota leather, which in my opinion goes so well with the carbon Schwartz metallic of the body colour. Of course we have the Grand Piano black trim on the door cards, dash and alongside with the brushed aluminium inserts. We also have the Harman Kardon surround sound, just one of the many options on this car. You can see that little warning symbol on the side mirror. Now what that is the blind spot assist, and I shall go into that a little bit further on into the video. And as I say, it's just one of the many options on this particular 4 Series Grand Coupe. We of course have the BMW privacy glass fitted to it, and this vehicle is an extremely clean and tidy example inside and out. Moving round to the back, if you've just got into looking into the market of the 4 Series Grand Coupes or this sort of vehicle, the boot space on these is a real plus point of just how large it is and surprisingly big. The seats do of course also fold flat if you do require that little bit of extra room. However, for everyday use there is really no need. Okay, so I'll now drop the boot down, which is all of course fully electric opening and closing. We of course have the stunning gloss black rear performance spoiler, and if I just lower myself down a little bit, you will just see that is a camera. Now that camera there is for the reversing camera. Once again, one of the many options on this Grand Coupe, and only just one of the cameras on this car, as this vehicle does also have the full 360 camera, which again I shall show you in more detail in just a second. So it has just gone on live onto our website, where you can view up to 55 images of this particular car. Of course we can sort over the phone or in-house some fantastic finance deals on this particular car if they are required. We have the power fold mirrors. Okay, so let's get inside and get into some real nice options on this car. Starting it up, of course, we have BMW's professional navigation and media package. So to run quickly through them, there's the navigation, there's the telephone, communication and media, DAB radio, a wide range of multimedia inputs. We have the radar guided cruise control on this 4 Series. We also have the lane departure warning, and as I mentioned earlier, we do have that blind spot alert. So for example, when the mirrors are obviously folded out, if you are travelling down a road and the vehicle using these sensors here in this part of the mirror does pick up something that you may not be able to see, because as it does describe, it is in the blind spot, this part of the mirror here will illuminate and flash. It'll also bring up a little warning in the centre console. A very handy feature for just how much traffic there is on the road, with people zooming in and out, especially if there is a motorbike behind you. Of course we have the heated seats, and as I mentioned earlier, the seats are heated as well as being memory electrically operated. Now another great feature on this 4 Series is that's right, a heated steering wheel. As you can see there, steering wheel heated activated, a very useful feature, especially coming into the time of year we're getting into now. We also have the head-up display, as you can see there. Now let's move on to the cameras that we have here. So there we have the 2 front cameras, which are on either side of the front bumper. As I mentioned, it is the full 360 camera, so we'll get through them. If I put the vehicle into reverse, there's the rear view one, and if I select on the options just here, I can have the full 360 view, so the 2 side cams and the rear cam. An extremely rare and extremely handy option. And of course it does have the front and rear audio sensors as well. So I'll pop that back in park. As I say, this vehicle does have to be one of the highest spec 4 Series Grand Coupes in the country with all this spec. And as I mentioned earlier, it is an extremely clean and tidy example. So guys, onto the price of this car. All of this luxury and all of this spec is ready to drive away in this beautiful package for 23,491, and that is ready to drive away today, guys. If you do require any further information on this particular car or any of our other current stock, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can give us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com. Okay guys, that's it from me here on this beautiful 4 Series Grand Coupe. Thank you, goodbye.